Listen up, entrepreneurs and hustlers. Instagram is where it's at. It's not just for sharing selfies and vacation pics anymore. It's a powerful tool for building your brand and making serious cash. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing guru. This guide will show you how to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. We'll keep it simple, actionable, and straight to the point. This is your time to shine. Let's get started. Are you ready to crush it on Instagram? I know you are. First impressions matter. Your Instagram profile is often the first thing people see, so it's crucial to make a strong impact right from the start. Your profile is your storefront, so make it count. Think of it as your digital business card. Choose a catchy username that reflects your brand. It should be easy to remember and spell. Use a high-quality profile picture that represents you or your business. This image should be clear and professional. Your bio is your elevator pitch. Keep it short, sweet, and attention-grabbing. You have only a few seconds to capture someone's interest. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. Make sure to highlight your unique selling points. Use relevant keywords to attract your target audience. These keywords help people find you when they search for topics related to your niche. Don't forget to include a call to action. This could be a link to your website, a product page, or a special offer. Tell people what you want them to do, whether it's visiting your website, checking out your latest post, or sending you a DM. Be clear and direct. Now that your profile is on point, let's move on to creating killer content. Content is king, and it's what will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Content is king on Instagram. It's the lifeblood of your presence on the platform. You need to post high-quality photos and videos that grab attention and keep people engaged. The more visually stunning your content, the more likely it is to stop someone mid-scroll. Think visually appealing. Bright colors, bold compositions, and captivating subjects will make your content stand out. Use contrast and unique angles to catch the eye. Don't be afraid to show your personality. Be authentic, be relatable, and let your unique voice shine through. Share behind-the-scenes moments and personal stories to build a deeper connection. People buy from people they connect with, so let your true self shine. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages to build a loyal community. Consistency is key. Post regularly so your followers stay engaged and don't forget about you. A well-planned content calendar can help you stay on track. Experiment with different types of content like photos, videos, reels, and stories to keep things fresh and exciting. Each format offers unique ways to engage with your audience. Now that you're creating awesome content, let's talk about getting more eyeballs on it. Use analytics to understand what works best and refine your strategy. Section 4. Growing your tribe, find your people. Growing your following is crucial for increasing your earning potential. The more engaged followers you have, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your account. One effective strategy is to use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are like keywords that help people discover your content. Research popular hashtags in your niche and use a mix of broad and specific hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, answer DMs, and run contests and giveaways to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engagement is everything. Now let's talk about turning those followers into dollars. Section 5. Show me the money ways to cash in. There are tons of ways to monetize your Instagram account once you've built a solid following. The key is to understand your audience and what they value. One popular method is through sponsored posts. This is where brands pay you to create content that features their products or services. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services to their audience. The more engaged your followers are, the more attractive you become to potential sponsors. Affiliate marketing is another great option. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services on your account. You'll earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the brand. The more effective your promotion, the higher your earnings can be. Tracking your performance through affiliate dashboards can help you optimize your strategy. You can also sell your own products or services directly through Instagram. This is perfect for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Whether it's physical products, digital downloads, or coaching services, Instagram provides a platform to showcase your offerings and reach a wider audience. The Instagram Shop feature makes it easy for followers to purchase directly from your posts. Remember, building a successful Instagram business takes time, effort, and consistency. Regularly posting high-quality content and engaging with your followers is crucial. But with the right strategies and a whole lot of hustle, you can turn your passion into profit. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and watch your Instagram business grow. Section 6, go get 'em Tiger, your time is now. So there you have it. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies along the way. Remember, building a successful Instagram presence takes time and effort, but with dedication, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve your goals and start earning money doing what you love. Go out there and crush it. I believe in you.